Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dore from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on Adsterra to make money fast. Let's go! Welcome to today's video on how to choose the best converting offer from Adsterra Network, guys. So we are going to choose an offer and apply it with Adsterra and make money fast. But in order to do so, you have to know which offer to choose, right? So that is the whole video is going to be about. As you can see over here, first you need to understand the whole process. The whole process goes like this. The actual whole process goes like this. First, you have to go ahead and choose an offer, and then if you have a landing page, you need to create a landing page, and then you need to have an external tracker where you link your landing page, and then you go ahead and create your ads. That is the whole actual process. But in return, what we are going to do is we're going to reverse the whole process, because we are going to find the best converting offer. So if I just go ahead and show you, hey, this is the best converting offer, you will be asking me how to find that offer. That's exactly what we're going to do in Adsterra. So Adsterra is an ad network that you should keep in mind. This is where you're going to go ahead and sell traffic or buy traffic. In our case, it's going to be buy traffic, as we are going to be an advertiser. So there's two stuff. One is advertiser, one is a monetizer. Monetizer is a publisher as well. So you sell traffic, you monetize your website or applications and all this kind of stuff. Advertiser, on the other hand, you buy traffic from Adsterra, and that's what we're going to do. First, you have to sign in as an advertiser. Keep that in mind. So once you have signed in, this is how the dashboard of the Adsterra look like. So in the Adsterra, there's one advantage. If you go over here on the left hand side and click over here, there's something which we call as offer wish list. If you click on this offer wish list, literally there will be a lot of offers over here. And not only that, you do have a preview of that offer as well. For example, 360 streams. So this is an add-on offer. Let's have no idea what is that. So let's go on this. Chris, this is a game offer on desktop. So the geo is United States, all these kind of countries. So the browser is the operating system is everything. You can literally preview the offer. So this is how the offer looks like. So this is an advantage with the Adsterra. So literally you can actually choose an offer here. Unfortunately, this is only applicable if you're using pop under traffic. So if you're using any other traffic, for example, you're using push traffic and all this kind of traffic, this is not the offer that we are looking for. But if you're using pop under traffic, definitely you can go ahead and get the offer from here itself, because the advantage of Adsterra is actually pop under traffic. So saying that, now we want to go ahead and choose an offer from Mobedia. We want to choose an offer from an affiliate network, and the affiliate network that we are using is Mobedia. So to do that, first thing you have to keep in mind is, the main thing is that you have to sort the geo that you want to place your offer. To do that, you need to see what is the volume of your geo. So you can't literally see the volume of the whole geo over here, but you can literally see what type of money that you will be spending with the volume. So you can actually see the smart traffic estimation over here. Let me just put everything easy for you. So it's going to be under, so it's going to be CPC, so it's going to be mainstream, so blah blah blah. So over here, if you actually choose the country, so let's go ahead and choose a different country that we have not chosen before. Let's go ahead and choose India. Once you hit India, you can actually see the recommended CPC is 0.003. But if you put the price, for example, I want to put the recommended CPC, you can actually see the estimation of the traffic. And this is something which is very, very crazy when it comes to tier 2 or tier 3 country, because a lot of people actually avoid tier 2 and tier 3 country because they think, hey, the offer is, the payout is very less, I don't want this offer, I want to go for tier 1 country offer. Of course, if you have the capacity, if you have the experience, if you have the money, definitely go ahead and do a tier 1 country offer, because it's much more valuable since the payout is much more high. But remember, the tier 1 traffic is expensive, and not only that, you will not get cheap traffic like this. Definitely will not get cheap traffic like this, first thing. And the volume, look at this, for this particular price you are expected to get 773 clicks per day. You will not get this volume for a tier 1 country. Not only that, you have to keep one more thing in mind, that when it comes to tier 1, all the big players are already in tier 1. For example, super affiliates, because they are already experienced, they do have the capacity because they've been in the industry for quite some time, they have saved money and all this kind of stuff, so they would be in the tier 1 market, in the tier 1 offers. So if you are going there as a complete beginner or a beginner, you would be like a small fry for them. I'm not saying that you can't compete with them, but those are your competitors. But you remember, they are already in tier 1, so they will not be coming back to tier 2 or tier 3. So this would be a very, very big and free space for you to explore. You can get test your creatives, you can test your ads, you can test your campaign. It's much more easier for you to get a winning campaign from spending a lot of money. You no need to spend like a lot of money to get a winning campaign, to test your campaign. You can actually spend $10 and you can still test your campaign and find your winning campaign. I did that before previously, and it's really, really doable. So once you have done that, you have to go to whatever affiliate network we are associated with. Like I told you, the affiliate network that we are associated with for this particular video is Mobidia. So once you actually go to Mobidia, this is the Mobidia dashboard. Why I always recommend Mobidia to find offer is because they do have a section over here which is called as offer directory. If you go ahead and click on this particular section, this section would pop up, and this section is, keep in mind that this is already the top converting offers. That means these offers are already selling, these offers are already being successful. So there's no need for you to go ahead and reinvent the wheel. All you got to do is just go ahead and write on the wheel that somebody else has already created. These are the offers, simple as that. All you got to do is reset everything, and then let me just reset everything because I was searching for something else. So all you got to do is make sure to go to the country that you want to. So we were talking about India, right? So hopefully I can find India over here. So if I can't find India, maybe I can go different country. India is here, so you can actually go India, you can hit apply, and then you can see a lot of traffic, a lot of offer appears here. And over here, you can actually go ahead and choose the offer that you want, whether you want a CPA offer, whether you want a CPL offer, whether you want a single payout, single opt-in, double opt-in, and all this kind of stuff. So let's just go ahead and choose a CPL offer as well. Let's see whether they have CPL offer. So they do have CPL offer. So this is actually adult traffic. This is adult traffic as well. So this offer is actually a payout of $10, and the traffic, keep in mind, the traffic that you're spending is 0.0003, and you're getting 777 clicks for that particular traffic. So if you imagine, if you can actually go ahead and spend a little bit more, imagine how many clicks you can get, imagine how many people that you can actually get into this offer. So once you have choose the offer, you can click on the offer, and then you can actually go ahead and choose the offer, read about the offer definitely first, and then you can actually go ahead and see whether they allow traffic, they allow for push notification or not. You can see the screenshot, banners, opportunity targeting, and all this stuff, and then you can go ahead and hit apply now. So this is where you're going to choose your traffic. So depending on what type of offer you choose, you can choose your traffic. For example, just now, let's say you choose an adult offer, like just now, you can actually go ahead and press adult. So if you're not choosing adult offer, you can actually go ahead and choose like push notification, like what we are doing. And if you're using a landing page, you need to submit a landing page when it comes to Mobidia as well, because the affiliate manager will take a look at the landing page before judging your application. If you don't have, then it's okay, just cancel cancel, agree for the term and hit apply, and your application will go to the affiliate manager so he or she can actually go ahead and do that refreshing thing, verification thing with your application. And don't worry guys, if your information is valid, you'll get approved instantly, almost instantly, once she or he actually see the offer. Or you can actually go ahead over here and type in the offer ID and say, this is the offer that I've actually applied for. Can you actually make me approved for this offer, so that I want to go ahead and run this offer, and they would be able to help you as well. So basically, this is how you choose the best converting offer for Adsterra Ad Network using the Mobidia Affiliate Network. So that's about it in today's video. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that today's video was beneficial from you, and I really hope that you liked today's video, guys. That's the most important. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. But before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.